start off with this hair that was gifted to me from abHair. They reached out to me, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to show you some details, but as you see here, it's just full. It has body waves and soft loose curls. It is a very soft texture. It's super full. It even has like weight to it. Like when I first pulled it out the box, I'm like, this hair is pretty heavy, but it's definitely not heavy on your head. I would say that it's big head friendly. And this is about the parting space here, as you see, but I believe you can part it back further if you like. You can part it anywhere, like on the sides if you want. You saw I inserted a picture of like when I first got it out the packaging and just like wore it flipped to the side. Totally beautiful, totally full. I just love the fullness of this unit, and to say that it's synthetic, in my opinion, it doesn't look synthetic, especially not in person, and I just love it. So if you're interested in this hair or any other hair, check out their website because they do offer other services regarding hair.